Gentlemen, welcome to Pete and Pedro headquarters. Last time you saw me, I was crying in the back. Not anymore. Why don't you come in? Let me show you around. All right, guys, so welcome to Pete and Pedro headquarters. This is where the magic happens. This is where we put everything together and ship it out to you. Matt basically will call out the order to Matodi. He will then pick and pack each individual product. This table will get filled and then everything is added to these carts so that the mailman can actually wheel them out. This big stud is Matodi, and that is Matt over there operating the command post control center. These two guys keep Pete and Pedro moving, rocking and rolling, and I couldn't do any of it without them. And right now it is a crazy busy time at Pete and Pedro. Ever since we moved over and transitioned to the new website and the new location, things have just been incredible. Sales have been through the roof, and we are just trying to figure it out and figure out how to keep everything fantastic and perfect. Next, I'd like to take you into some of these rooms, even though they're not that exciting, just give you a full rundown of everything that's happening. First up is this one. So we're not entirely set up. We're still trying to figure out how to best utilize the space, but this first office, we just use as storage. Some of the bigger empty boxes. Also, Pete and Pedro t-shirts, if you're interested. They are incredibly comfortable and always stylish. We've got some extra Dymo printers because they are the lifeblood of us being able to ship these products, and they don't last forever. Next room. All right, so this office we use exclusively for storing our boxes. Boxes are a big deal here at Pete and Pedro because every order needs one. And so my dad, Papa A, comes in twice a week for a few hours and helps us keep boxes in stock. And this other room, and this room is the least exciting room in the place. We've got nothing really going on here except some extra boxes and some shelves, and we'll fill it out. We'll do something with it eventually, probably as Pete and Pedro expands. But in the back, that's where it's exciting. All right, guys, so here's the warehouse. And this is the reason we actually had to move out of the office, because we just outgrew the space. Show you a little bit. We've got 2 rows deep of pallets of product. This right here is putty. Notice on the wall, we haven't exactly figured out how to label everything. We just are kind of figuring it out as we go. But we've got 7 pallets of putty. That should last us a few months. And then we've got clean. The clean and condition are some of our best sellers, along with the salt, which is just taken over Pete and Pedro. People are loving the product. On this side, we've got boxes and boxes and boxes. And we've also got some other products like the Jealous and Clean XL, products that we don't sell as much as the putty, the salt, the clean and condition, and the clay. But this is pretty much the warehouse, and it is honestly better than I ever expected or hoped. And so as you can see, it's a big space. There's lots of product in here. Like I said, this should last us a few months, but it's all sort of up in the air because we're growing so fast. It's exciting, but it's also a little bit scary. But I know that we're good here for a while. We could definitely get racks and you know, go higher. We could also, you know, go deeper and we could figure it out. But I just wanted to sort of bring you in and show you. Last time you were here, I was crying like a baby talking about being scared, but this is really what it's about. I'm not scared anymore, more excited than anything. And it's just a testament to busting your ass and working super hard. And honestly, the reason why this is successful is not necessarily because of me, it's more because of you. Because you guys have embraced Pete and Pedro, the products, you love them, and I honestly could never repay you. But I just wanted to bring you here and sort of show you sort of the operation so that you know that it's not some big fulfillment center, it's not other people packing, it's us. We're here doing the work, and it's so exciting to see carts full of hundreds of orders go out every day. And so just wanted to do something a little bit fun. If you guys want to check out any of the products, including, let's see, right? Check it. The Pete and Pedro putty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. that's a good one. Or the salt, or actually, I gotta package that up. Guys, there's a discount code down below. Also, if you haven't checked out the new website, we launched that and it is a rock star. It's sexy, it's clean. I'd love to know what you guys think of it. And also, if you have any questions regarding hair product, there's a new feature where you can upload a selfie of yourself and tell us what hair product you're currently using, and we'll be happy to make a Bueno hair recommendation. But guys, thank you so much for coming, checking out Pete and Pedro, hanging with us for a little bit. This is where the magic happens, baby. All the Bueno hair you could ever want. Links below, but other than that, it's time for you to go.